Hello and welcome to Carpentry Education. Today we're going to talk to Marco about some installation rules. So Marco, tell us about the new codex for installation.
Building codes requires new houses to be insulated.
What kind of installation can you choose these days?
Eco-friendly homes have insulated which are made of biodegradable materials.
Oh, that's nice. On this school, where do you put all the waste?
And the toilet? In a container, but KTS does things which help reduce the waste of materials.
Oh, that's nice. Is there any else things you want to tell me?
Like